Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini market recap for Friday the 21st of June, and today we actually had 3 stop outs which put us under 12 points for the day. Sometimes that happens, and today was one of those days. On the month we're still up quite a bit, so it's really, looking at it from that standpoint, really is nothing to get too sad about. I mean, if we had 3 or 4 days in a row like this, then there's obviously a big problem. On a day like today, some days you're going to look at the market and you're going to read it totally incorrectly. And that's exactly what happened today. Today the market did gap up quite a nice gap up, and I was thinking long off the open, and actually got long up here, which ended up in a stop out. And kind of watched things a little bit. It still looked like they were trying to hold it up a little bit. It jumped around, and over here in this area I started building a short position. I got long one contract here, which ended up getting stopped out down here, and then kind of watched things again. Watch price buy up here, come down here, and thought that up here was a nice long, which got stopped out on that one as well. The market was just much weaker than it actually looked to me like, and sometimes that's going to happen, and that you're not going to make money all the time, I guess is a good lesson for the day. Some days you're going to lose more than you expected to. You're going to not make anything at all, and it's a good day to build character, definitely, because days like this, when you come back to trading, what are you going to do? Are you going to be ultra conservative, way too conservative, so that you don't make anything at all, maybe just break even on all your trades? Or are you going to revenge trade and just multiply this number by a couple exponents? Or are you going to be able to look at your plan and actually trade it? Today, were there a couple rules broken in the trade plan? I think so. I don't think I traded as well as I should have. And having a trading room, it definitely makes you feel a little bit, or it makes me feel a little bit bad when money is lost. And I think that should happen at any time. If you're trading your own account, if you're trading other people's money, whatever you're doing, it has to hurt when you lose money. And it's not necessarily the money issue, it's more of being wrong and affecting others because of that. And if it's a good setup and it's unsuccessful, it's okay. But if something like a day like today happens, it definitely does hurt a little bit. And really the only thing you can do is come back from that. Is come back next week and just try to make it better. So that's all you really can do, and we'll see what happens, and hopefully it turns out pretty well. But hopefully you learned something from the video. If you're in the room, definitely apologies that I called the market so badly, but we'll definitely hit it up next week and make it better. So thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you got something out of it. You can definitely email me directly if you want, support@businesswithtrading.com, if you have any questions, or you can post below the video if you want as well. So Thanks for watching. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thanks.